Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a rainbow poppet fidget unicorn. Let's start drawing. Let's draw a unicorn head shape first. Like this. Then let's divide the whole thing with horizontal lines from the top to the bottom. Then let's draw small circles into all lanes. Awesome! Great job! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring of our unicorn, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red on the top. Then I continue with orange. I use yellow. Then green. Blue. Purple. Pink. And finally, fuchsia. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!